And congratulations, 15 years. Pakwento naman ano yung concept ng event and why in Santa Rosa?
Well, number one, the purpose of the 15th anniversary is all about giving back and paying it forward. Gusto ko po kasi talagang bigyang highlight naman, of course, in the past years kasi puro na lang ako yung nakikita natin, yung nakikita ng audience, and yung nakikita ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. And right now, all of the people naman that's very much part of my journey in the past 15 years, sila naman yung mabibigyang highlight with this event. And why Santa Rosa? Because sa tagal ko sa industriya kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng event na or a big event na nagawa sa lugar kung saan ako lumaki. And of course, with the help of the people in Santa Rosa as well, we were able to mount this event. And I'm very excited para kahit papano, maibalik ko naman to sa mga kababayan ko na since day one was always, is always there for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kate.
Thank you. Ang ganda nun. So,